everyone. Welcome back to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. It's been a minute since we, or at least 5 minutes since we made a video. Just been busy on other stuff, and some stuff we can and can't video due to the fact it's some of the stuff is racing related, and guys didn't want us doing certain things, and so we didn't make any videos. That was a primary deal, and but we're back. We have to do this cylinder head for a racer down in Florida. We went and picked it up. It had a hairline crack around the boss, head bolt boss, so we took and preheated it, ground it out, welded it up, and still have an area to weld here. We got to notch it out, and I think it was a problem with maybe somebody didn't put them on correctly as far as being flat on the deck, but who knows. Yeah, thank everyone for checking it out. It's not a lot, but it's a start back. Like I said, we've not made one in a minute, and but this we're going to get back to it. The little 60 Ford is getting closer to our finish line for it. Still working on it. It's got to wind up in South Carolina in September, so we still have some work to do to it, but we're getting there. Thank everybody for subscribing and checking out the videos. We're almost to our 1,000 subscriber mark. When we do, we got a couple of giveaways. We're going to do some giveaways with some extra shirts and some hats and stuff like that from different companies. Speaking of companies, want to absolutely thank Benchmark Abrasives. Our promo code, if you ever need abrasives, I can't say this enough, it's been a minute, but LVD10, you get a 10% discount on anything you order right out the door. That helps, especially with shipping and all that good stuff. That's 10% off all orders, LVD10. Want to thank Everlast Welders. Weld mean, weld green, baddest welder on the planet in my mind. But yeah, that's what we're using here right now. We do have another car in the shop. We'll show it. We got a trip to Florida that we have to go pick up a bunch of materials Friday or tomorrow. This is Thursday, and we're going to get back on the Ford. It's a little grudge racing Mustang. Can't shut the motor sitting there, so we got to get it covered up. The owner said absolutely not to show the motor, and that's his wish, and that's the way it is. A couple of cars from Florida, a couple of things from Florida going on. Everybody knows Florida's a hotbed for grudge racing. Well, Georgia is too, come to find out. But I've not gotten. We've been here a year, and I've not gotten to enjoy any grudge racing yet, or any kind of deal like that. But I'm sure I will. And yeah, I want to thank everyone. This is where we're at. This is a TrickFlow 225 CNC LS head that we got going on. It's just basic. We got to do some welding, and the machine shop next door. Excuse me. Machine shop next door is going to take care of all the machine work. We'll do everything on both cylinder heads. They'll look like $1 million when we're done. And can't wait to get it done, get it out the door, get them delivered back to FLA. And yeah, like I said, I want to thank everyone. Again, want to thank Summit Racing Equipment. They helped us out with some stuff. Sent us a nice banner. We've not gotten to put it up yet. We've got this big old TV that we got to put up, get it out of the way, or else it's got to start working. Yeah, thank everyone. again, absolutely thank you for all the new subscribes. Stay tuned, more to come. Hopefully this is our start back to making more videos. We've had some reels and some shorts and some real shorts. And but yeah, we just want to thank everyone, and everyone have a wonderful, blessed day, and thank you. Okay. All right, everyone. This is just it was a short video. Basically, us getting our feet wet again. We've not made a video in about a month due to the facts of what I was saying in the starting. But yeah, thank everyone again from the bottom of our heart. Thank everyone that has subscribed new. We actually do exist. We're back to start making more videos. Like I said, we had some stuff we couldn't video, and we were busy on others. And the 60 Ford we're back on that. It's got to be out of here, like I said, in September. We have a Mustang grudge car here that came up from Florida. A friend dropped off, and we got lots of work to be done to it. We are not going to be able to, the motor's here, but we're not allowed to show the motor for sure. But we will be able to show parts and videos of the car being worked on. It's I won't say similar, it's a Mustang, not a S10, but it's a setup similar to like the previous one we had, Joe Dirt. We do still have our 35 sedan, two-door sedan standard. That is going to become, hopefully, as soon as we can. It's going to be a few months, but we're going to get started, hopefully working on that. We're going to build a chassis. Got to build a frame table for it, something to sit the frame on, and even maybe the body to do a little work. The car's not going to be chopped. Already looks like it from the factory. It's got a little small chop, but it doesn't. But it's just the way it's made. But it's going to be a cool little car. Thank everyone again, all the new subscribers. Everybody, please check out Benchmark Abrasives, 10% discount code. Anything LVD10 is your code. It'll get you 10% off. They have the best abrasives on the market. There's tons of them. That's my opinion. I use them. I stand by them. We have used them for years. Even before we hung a couple of years before we even hung the first banner, we were using them in Florida. I want to thank them, thank everybody at Benchmark. If it wasn't for you guys, we probably couldn't afford to do half of this work. There should be more great companies out there like that. We're very blessed and lucky to have Benchmark Abrasives as help. I want to thank Everlast. I am not sponsored by Everlast, but I do love their equipment. They got good tech support. I want to thank Summit, working with us, helping us get everything together on the Mustang, or most of the parts. Summit Equipment in McDonough, Georgia. Thank you, and thanks for the big nice banner. Again, all new subscribers, thank you very much. All the old ones, thank you for not spitting us out like a spitball and getting rid of us. We're almost to our 1,000 mark. We'll be giving away some stuff, some shirts and some hats and so on and so forth, and maybe some mugs and stuff, hopefully. But thank everyone, and everybody, please like, share, subscribe, and have a blessed day.